Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about a very crucial topic, and as you can see here my body is sweating because it is too hot, you know. But don't worry about it because we can't do something. It's a nature, okay? It happens. So if I talk about the topic, you know, the topic is very crucial. Listen to me carefully. You know what happens when we start learning English language? So in our initial days, when we start speaking English, we start learning English. So at those days we really want to speak English language fluently, you know, just like fluent speaker, but we can't speak. We are unable to speak anything in English. But on the other hand, we really want to speak English language, right? So my friend, if I talk about the beginners who have started learning English language and they are thinking how to speak English language fluently, you know. So in this video I'm going to cover these kind of topics, these kind of points I would say, so that the people who are beginners, who are learning English language, who are trying to speak English language but they are unable to speak, how they can speak English language, okay? And if I talk about those people who are able to understand, who are able to speak English language, some of the things they can speak in English language but they are not fluent. So my friend, fluency comes by speaking only, okay? Speaking comes by speaking, so there is no problem. We have to speak, you know. We have to be consistent if we are learning English language. So if I talk about the people who are beginners, how can they achieve fluency and how can they speak English language in their initial days? I can't say that they can achieve fluency in their initial days because it is, you know, it is not, we cannot achieve fluency over the night, okay? In our initial days we can't achieve fluency. We can speak English but we can't speak fluently, right? So the thing I want to share with you is very simple. Like if the people who are beginners, how can they speak? So my friend, if I talk about uh, like in our initial days we are unable to speak anything. We are unaware about the vocabularies, we are unaware about many things, right? So my friend, just whatever you are learning today, for example, you have started learning English language today onwards, okay? Today you are learning. So whatever you are learning, just speak those things. I mean, see, listen to me carefully. Just don't make your decision before speaking. See, first of all, let me tell you what I want to share with you. Okay, it is, you know, too much hot. I'm just, my body is sweating, you can see here. So okay, don't worry about it. If I talk about how beginners can speak English, so my friend, just if you are learning only present indefinite tense, for example, because it is a very simple, yeah, when we start learning English language, so in our initial days we learn these sentences, we start from these present indefinite tenses, right? So if any beginner who wants to speak English language, how can he speak? So if I talk about, see my friend, how he can speak, first of all he should learn all those type of things, sentences like present indefinite tenses and some of the vocabularies he should learn, because to speak English language we need two things: the structure of the sentences. We should have you know, basic, oh my goodness, we should have basic concept. We should have not a good, but we should have a command, you know. We should have a good command, and I can say, yeah, we should have a good command of sentences whatever we are learning. If you are learning present indefinite, or you are learning something else, you should have a good command of those sentences, okay? And the second thing is vocabulary. Yes, vocabulary matters a lot whenever we try to speak English language. So my friend, vocabulary is all about, you know, if we have vocabulary we can speak anything, right? I think so I should go from here because I don't know, it is too much hot here. And okay, so what I was saying, that vocabulary matters a lot if you are speaking English language and you are beginner. So my friend, just try to learn a few vocabularies like 4, 5, 10, and just try to speak, try to put those vocabularies, into sentences. And see, my friend, I'm just going to tell you how you can speak. I know very well that initially it will be very hard for us to speak English language in our initial days, right? So just listen to me carefully. Just try to learn few vocabularies like 4, 5, 10, and then just try to speak, try to put those vocabularies into sentences. Like if you are speaking present indefinite tense, so how many things you can speak? You know what, how many things you can speak? You can speak about your daily life, you can speak about your routine, you can speak about your hobbies, you can speak about your habit. You know how you can speak? See, if I talk about your day, how many things you can speak about your day? For example, for example, today I have done present indefinite tense, okay, and I'm going to practice English. So what kind of things? First of all, we are going to start it from very very beginning, you know, when we wake up early in the morning, okay. So for example, I'm going to talk about my daily routine, okay. So first of all, I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day, and then I take a bath, and then I go to outside, then I record my video, then I speak English language, then I practice English language, then I walk for a while, then I walk for a while, then I talk to myself. So these kind of sentences you can make easily. And see, I know very well that you are aware about that you can speak these kind of things easily. I know very well. So why I'm saying this? You know what? In our initial days, people really, in our initial days, we really want to speak English language like a fluent speaker. So my friend, try to prepare only two things: your daily routine and your introduction. Yes, you heard it right. Your introduction and your daily routine. You can speak English language easily. Try to start practicing, try to start speaking English from your introduction. First of all, introduce yourself, okay, and then start speaking about whatever you learn. Getting the point? And every single day start from your introduction. If you are a beginner, in this way you can achieve fluency in your introduction. You getting the point? So my friend, you can speak in this way and you can achieve fluency, and as many time you will speak, as many time you will feel confident. So that is why I'm saying that just try to speak from your introduction, try to start speaking from your introduction, and then try to speak those things whatever you are learning. Getting the point? And vocabularies, every single day few vocabularies. See, some of the vocabularies everyone knows about, that walking, talking, laughing, eating, weeping, sleeping, these kind of things everyone knows. So speak these kind of sentences, right? And in our initial days, we will have to speak only the same sentences every single day to achieve fluency, because in our initial days, our mind doesn't take it, our mind doesn't recognize it, our mind, just thinks like, what is this, and what kind of things you are learning here. I mean, it doesn't understand it, right? So it doesn't feel comfortable in that language. So we have to make our mind comfortable, we have to make our mind feel comfortable. Getting the point? And that is the way to speak English, to feel comfortable while speaking English language, okay. So try to speak those sentences every single day. Try to speak about your daily routine, whatever you do every day, whatever you do whole day. Getting the point? And in this way you can speak many things. You can practice English easily by using only present indefinite tense, okay. Don't think that after learning all the sentences then I will start speaking English. No, your journey starts from today onwards. If you are learning something today, so your journey has started, so just try to speak. Okay. And it really works, just trust me. When I was a beginner, when I used to learn, when I used to speak English language, so I used to start from the simple trick. I used to start from my daily routine, and I used to introduce myself as well. And one thing is very unique, I'm going to share with you. If you don't have any partner, just make yourself partner. Because I never ever had any type of person for speaking for practice. I was alone, and I used to speak alone, and I am speaking alone, nowadays also. And I am able to speak with myself in, and like, in my mother tongue or in English language. I mean, the thing is that I am able to speak with myself. There is no problem. Yes, you heard it right. And you also can speak. Just, yeah, I mean, don't think that how we can speak English language with our own self. The way I'm speaking in front of this camera. But if there is no camera, still I can speak with myself. Before some time I was speaking with myself when I was not recording my video, and just because of this habit, just because of this ability, I am able to speak in front of this camera. It gave me power. So that's why my friend, I'm saying that try to speak with yourself as well. And I know very well that initially it will be hard for you. It will be like fun. You will be speaking, you will be whispering, you will be thinking that what if someone will watch me and they will laugh at me, so I know very well. But don't speak in front of someone else. Like, find the place where you can speak with yourself. Okay, so try to speak with yourself as well. And if I talk about the people who are able to speak some of the things in English language easily, so they have many topics. And in our initial days we think a lot to talk about any topic. And so my friend, I would say one thing: just don't talk about difficult topics, because in our initial days we are unaware about many topics, and we think that we should talk about this thing, we should talk about that thing, even we don't have knowledge about it. Okay, so if you don't have knowledge about it, how can you speak about that thing? Getting the point? So don't talk about very difficult topics. Just simply talk about simple topics. Like, for example, if you are at home, so how many things can be happen, how many things can be spoken in English language at our home, at your home? Simple, like, your mother is doing something, your father is going to work, your brother is studying, or your sister is doing something, these kind of things. And if you are in a kitchen, in your kitchen, like if you are in kitchen, so how many ingredients are there, how many things you can learn in your kitchen? If you are going in your room, how many things are there? You can talk about your clothes, you can talk about your room, you can talk about your daily stuff, and just explain about the things. Learn how to explain the things, just explain about the things, about anything, wherever you are, whatever you are doing, just explain. Okay. And just imagine in your mind, just make a hypothetical story, make a hypothetical situation, that yes, I am somewhere else and the people who are doing this work. And so what happens, actually, one girl who was playing with children, and somehow she got injury in her hand, and her hand is just hurting. And in this way, like, make stories. If you don't have any type of topic, make something, like anything, make a topic and just speak. Okay, I know very well that whatever I am saying, you may be thinking that what kind of things you are talking about. We cannot speak in this way, and we have many topics, by the way, to talk about English language. I know very well. But my friend, see, when we just think in our mind and when we talk about something different, we make hypothetical stories and we just make something different and we learn something else, you know, we can learn something new. So that's why I'm saying that. So my friend, in this way you can speak many things. In this way you can practice English. In this way you can speak English. And achieving fluency is not all about speaking fast and just speaking learning speaking English fluently in just 3 months or 4 months. No, we cannot achieve fluency in just 3 or 4 or 6 months, you know. It takes years. Oh, sorry, if you are just, if you are beginner, so it will be unlistenable for you, you know, because no one wants to listen this thing, like we will have to take our years, you know. No one wants to listen. So my friend, see, because it's a reality, so many people who are speaking English language, they had been speaking for years, you know, and today they are able to speak. If I talk about myself, so it's been 3 years I am learning English language, but I started speaking English language, I think so, yes, I think it's been 2.5 years. Yeah, when I started speaking English, I was able to speak with myself in my mother tongue, but I did not used to speak English at that time. And yeah, it's been 2.5 years, I would say. And I did not used to speak for a long time, for hours and hours. Simply I used to practice. At least there was no any specific time actually. Okay, so I would say one thing only, my friend, just keep doing and don't think that it will take so much time and we are not going to learn it. No, don't think like this. Okay, you can learn, you can speak English language easily, there is no problem. And see, everyone has different types of idiosyncrasies, different types of specialties. So you don't need to think that I'm going to take a lot of time. Maybe you can learn you know, before this much time, you know. Maybe you can learn earlier, you know. So just try to speak and don't think like this, and never ever give up, I would say. Okay, so in this way you can speak, you can practice English, you can achieve fluency. My friend, don't think like this, like you cannot achieve fluency and it will take so much time and you cannot speak. You can speak. Okay, so just try to speak every single day and don't break the consistency. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.